Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have Anaconda. Now start the practical steps. Open Anaconda Navigator from your OS launcher and look at the left pane, Environments. Once done, pick the environment you will use. This ensures the correct Python and packages load. If you want a fresh environment, create one now and install Notebook. Make sure to select the GUI view so you can see apps like Jupyter Notebook. This avoids command line installs and keeps packages isolated for reproducible work. You'll now run the app itself. In Home, find the Jupyter Notebook tile and verify the environment displayed matches your choice. This matters because kernels depend on that environment. Once it's correct, click Launch. The Navigator starts a local server and opens your default browser with the Notebook file browser. If the browser doesn't open automatically, copy the displayed token URL into any browser and paste it. This connects you to the running server securely. Finish by creating a new Python 3 notebook and run a simple print statement to confirm the kernel responds. Once you've finished work, shut down notebooks from the dashboard to release RAM and ports. If something goes wrong, say the kernel won't start or browser shows connection refused, make sure the selected environment has ipykernel installed and check the Navigator server logs for error messages. Reinstalling ipykernel in that environment usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.